So if we're just taking a little look at Chainlink then on the daily time frame, as we can see, looking very, very strong indeed. Just really making its way up through the Fibonacci levels. Lovely here, as we can see recently. Kind of decorrelated from Bitcoin, to be honest, because it was moving when Bitcoin was actually retracing somewhat. So interesting that it is kind of moving on its own. But obviously, overall, over the past year or so, we have seen a big uptick in crypto, heading back up towards all-time highs for a lot of things. As we can see, Chainlink here, obviously the all-time high around $53 there. And overall, sitting at around $20 right now after, consolidating for a long time down here, anywhere from around $5.50 up to around $10. In between $5 and $10 here, you would say, realistically. Just chopping sideways. Very, very, very nice range here that you could have been trading. And then you can see, obviously, we came up, we broke through our bear market resistance that was formed here. And just very simply broke above our 038 straight away. Obviously, the 023 down here giving some resistance in that range as well. We came up pretty much straight away to the 050, consolidated for a few months here, really, going sideways. And then, obviously, very recently, we've broken up into and ran straight up to the next resistance, which is that 618 Fibonacci. Very, very key level that we do need to flip at around $21 here. You can see we've almost touched it in reality. Right now, just waiting for that final little push to the upside for these large cap altcoins. A lot of them are actually moving really, really nice at the minute. VeChain, one of those ones that has been moving lovely at the minute. Just basically breaking out and getting a nice pump. You can see we've come down here, back tested our 100 moving average and bounced to the upside and broke through more resistance. So we could see ourselves maybe have a little retracement down like this, with the moving average coming up and then back testing it and continuing again. But overall, things look just really, really good for Chainlink. As you can see, lots of free space above this level here. If you can break above this 618 level, really there's no more resistance up until around $30, and you've only got the 078 up here at around $32 before you're back at the all-time highs. Obviously, it seems a long way away now, but these things do come together very quickly in bull markets, as we are all well aware. Things can move, 10, 20x in a few weeks during the peak of the bull market. So right now, Chainlink looking really, really strong and poised for a great move to the upside going into the halving in a few months. Let's see what happens.